On this segment of Satisfaction Television, I am going to try this snack I never heard before. The first one, pimenta, is a combination of spices and peppers, so I'm a little bit excited. Let's see how this tastes. Call it a biscuit, call it crackers, either way, it's delicious. Small bursts of good flavor with a kick, and it's very satisfying crunches. The heat and the pepperiness doesn't last too long, but it's not overpowering. Very nice treat. The second one is bacon, and despite the different shapes as tiny spears, it's the same texture as the previous snack. You get little hints of light bacon flavor here and there, also not too powerful, but it still reels you in because you can't help but just grab a couple more and just kind of eat more and more of them. I was impressed of how wonderful these turned out to be. I only took a couple of handfuls, and still got tons left over, so I'm going to be eating these gradually throughout, several days or weeks. Overall, these snacks, I absolutely enjoy them.